So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Halloween is over, so we are starting the month of November. And I was thinking about another wine we can do for this month. And I had some options that I was thinking about, and I decided to go with a plum wine. Figured it'd be the perfect time that I finally get a plum done, and it's one of the classics too. Plus I done made this wine a few times already, and I really enjoyed the wine itself. My friends enjoyed it, and I figured it'd be about time that I do another one, because I think I'm down to my last bottle, if I remember. But anyway, that's what we'll be doing for this one. I will go ahead and give you the recipe, well, not the recipe, but what we'll be using to make this plum wine, and also some of the tools that we'll be using. So first we will be starting with 3 pounds of purple plums, be using 2 pounds of white sugar. Also, we'll be using 1 lemon, well, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 pack of Earl Grey black premium tea for our tannin. The lemon was for the acid, I'm sorry. And we'll also be using Lalvin D47 yeast for this brew. And 1 gallon of water that we have sitting in the background. We'll be using the 1 gallon carboy, along with the airlock that you see that already have the sanitized water in it. That's also connected to our bung, which we'll be sealing our 1 gallon carboy with. And we'll use the hydrometer and the cylinder, so we'll be able to take a reading to check our density to see our alcohol potential. Now guys, like I said, once again, we are making this wine, and for some strange reason I just went blank, but oh, that's what it was. I'm gonna do something a little different this time. I think I never showed you guys up in the video, but I am gonna macerate these plums, and what that means is I'm gonna take and cut my plums up, slice them, dice them, whatever you may say, take my sugar that I have in front of me and pour it over my plums, and I'm gonna let my plums sit up in the sugar to form a simple syrup. If you guys never know what that process was called, it's called maceration. And that's what we're doing. Basically making a simple syrup from the fruit juice. But just wanted to give you some knowledge. The more you know. There you go. So anyways, short and sweet, we go get to this video, or should I say this process, and get this wine started.